welcome to my Play channel. So today I gonna make a imomochi. This is a dish that is eaten in several regions of Japan. But today I gonna make a Hokkaido style imomochi.
So, okay, let's take a look at the Hokkaido. Hokkaido is the northernmost prefecture of Japan. It's about 1,000 kilometers away from Tokyo. So, it's famous for its delicious seafood and dairy product, but it also has a thriving agricultural industry. It's the largest producer of potato, carrot, and onion in Japan.
It's a characteristic of this dish is a sticky texture. So it's said to have originated when the potato were instead of glutinous rice, because rice technology wasn't developed at the time. So okay, let's get started.
So, okay, these are the ingredients for today. We don't normally put cheese in imomochi, but it tastes better if you do. So I adapted. So, okay, first of all, peel the potatoes, cut out any eyes and cut them into pieces about 1 centimeter thick. And then next, please add the 1.5 tablespoon of water into the potato. So, okay, and then cover with cling film and warm in the microwave for about 8 minutes or until a skewer inserted in the center comes out clean. So, while the potatoes are warming up in the microwave, cut up the camembert cheese. Cut the cheese in half and then cut it in half again. Cut into 8 equal pieces. Put them in the mashed potatoes later. Okay, after that, while it's still hot, mash it with a masher until it's smooth. And then... So please add the 40 grams of the potato starch. And then 2 tablespoons of milk or soya milk or just water is okay. And then mix until there is no lumpiness. One thing to keep in mind is that the potato must be cooled off before adding the potato starch. Otherwise, the potato starch will get heated by the potatoes and the dough will be soggy and difficult to shape. So, and then next, divide the finished dough into 8 equal pieces. So, place a slice of camembert cheese in the middle of the dough and wrap it so that it doesn't stick out. So, and then shape the remaining dough in the same way. So, okay, it's all shaped up. So now let's make a sauce. So, okay, let's prepare the imomochi sauce. So, here, there are 4 tablespoons of sugar here. And then, please add the 2 tablespoons of soya sauce. And then 3 tablespoons of water, and then 1 tablespoon of potato starch, and then mix well. So mix thoroughly until the potato starch and sugar are dissolved. So, okay, sauce is ready. So let's fry the imomochi next. So, okay, set to medium heat. And then please add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil or butter. So cook until browned on both sides. So when both sides are well browned, so please add the sauce. So, and then when the sauce begins to thicken, please stop heating. So turn off the heat, transfer to a plate and serve. And also, please serve with the sauce left over from the pan. So last one, this is optional, but I also put it with seaweed. Jan! I made a imomochi. Okay, let's try the taste. じゃーん、できました。I made it. So I will try to taste myself. So let's dig in. いただきます。いただきます。でももちもちしてる。Very なんか sticky texture. Little bit interesting flavor. Its taste is like a salty, but I can feel the sweet, salty and sweet taste. 美味しい。Good, good. And then cheese is a melt in the mouth. Busy in my mouth. Yeah, okay. If you enjoyed my video, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So, okay, thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!